Yeah, thank you for that, Claire. Nice and cool today by mid-June standards, but yes, it's going to feel a lot more like June and then some, maybe July or August by our Wednesday and Thursday. Not only are highs on the rise, rain chances are as well, and it's thanks to this just absolute fire hydrant of moisture stretching from the Texas Gulf Coast all the way into the deep south and now the southeast. We even saw a few showers on the northern end of this really elongated system, but it's actually two systems. There's a stalled front here and then a developing tropical system off to the west. You can start to see that circulation there again over the Corpus Christi area of Texas. The National Hurricane Center gives this X, that is the center of circulation, a 60% chance of becoming our next named storm. In fact, they've already designated this as potential tropical cyclone 1. And you may be asking at home, what the heck is a potential tropical cyclone? Well, I'm here to answer that. Essentially, it is just a storm that has not gotten a name yet, but will likely develop tropical characteristics, aka it will likely get a name within the next 48 hours. And within that next 48 hours, it will make landfall in a populated place. So they do this just to issue out the warnings and the forecast cones, and that's exactly what they're doing. Why they call it potential tropical cyclone, that beats me. You'll have to go down to Miami and ask the National Hurricane Center yourself. But essentially, this is just future Arthur on the way, or it likely will be a tropical storm Arthur within the next 48 hours. Don't let that forecast cone fool you either, because while it may lose tropical characteristics, that is the end of the watch there for the National Hurricane Center. Obviously, the storm is going to keep on going, even if it's not tropical, as it continues to move inland. And look at these spaghetti models, these spaghetti plots. They are really starting to show that, yeah, this may take a beeline towards the triad. What are spaghetti models? Yeah, they're individual models here. Each little line is an individual model showing the center of circulation. And right now it's putting it right over the Carolinas, including the triad. So let's take a look at what the European model thinks is going to happen. The latest run here is actually a little bit farther south than what those spaghetti models were showing. That center of circulation you're starting to see near Augusta, Georgia, and Aiken, South Carolina by Friday afternoon. This is going to be a pretty quick hitting system. And just because the center of circulation is to the south, that doesn't mean the rain, or at least all of the rain, remains to the south. It's going to have a pretty impressive rain shield up to the north. So we really could see some heavy rain moving into North Carolina, really between Thursday evening through Friday morning, maybe even into the afternoon Friday before clearing out by the weekend. That's how it stands right now. Keep in mind, a lot can and will change over the next 4 days. Your News 2 weather team will make sure to keep you posted. Going to feel a lot more like summer. We're drying out as well for the first day of summer. That's also known as Father's Day. Highs near 90 for our Sunday, carrying into early next week.